Hello! Today we are going to compare for you two hotels overlooking the Wawel Castle. The 5-star Sheraton Grand Hotel and the 4-star Novotel Kraków Center. They are just 5 to 10 minute walk from the old town of Krakow. When checking in at the Sheraton, you'll need to provide the personal details of all guests in your room and pay a deposit to cover damage and any restaurant charges, while at the Novotel, check-in is standard. At the Sheraton, the staff will help you to transport your luggage to your room, while at the Novotel, you will have to do this on your own. Parking at the Sheraton costs 120 zloty per day, and at the Novotel 80 zloty. This is the same as parking on the street, so it's not worth looking for an alternative. We chose the upgraded rooms, which were called deluxe or executive, but weren't quite as luxurious. The Sheraton had a bathtub in the bathroom and a really mega comfortable bed. The dark brown furniture was the style of the decoration, went well with the atmosphere of the old town. In the Novotel, the room was more modern. You could see that the furniture was definitely less old, while a closer look revealed plain wallpaper on the walls, a bed upholstered with loose hanging fabric, and a cheaply renovated bathroom. This hotel definitely makes up for it with extras like cosmetics or coffee. We were also surprised by several well-thought-out solutions, such as the table, which was designed so that we could eat or work comfortably on the sofa. Both rooms had views of Wawel Castle. In the Sheraton, the view was definitely closer, but behind trees and a nearby apartment building. In the Novotel, it was further away but gave a nice perspective. You could see the Vistula and even the Wawel Dragon breathing fire. In chain hotels, the mattresses are always comfortable, sometimes a bit firmer and sometimes a bit softer, but it's hard to wake up with a sore back. The bed in the Sheraton was sensational, and so were the pillows. The ones in the Novotel, we were very uncomfortable and couldn't sleep at all. In the Sheraton, there were standard bedside tables, a bit scratched but functional. In the Novotel, just mini shelves, but the socket and reading light were there. The Sheraton's wardrobe had sliding doors, which meant we either had to put something in it or use the space to make coffee. In the Novotel, it opens at standard, and you can see that it's definitely younger, less battered and more thoughtful. Bathrooms? You can hear about our bathroom adventure at the Sheraton in a video about the hotel on our channel. Generally, you can see that it has been used a bit, but with a bath. The toiletries were just okay. The Novotel's bathroom was clean but low budget. The restaurant in the Sheraton is located in a beautiful, high atmospheric patio. The one in the Novotel is also very carefully designed. The seats at the Novotel are definitely more comfortable. The food. The Sheraton offers a variety of flavors, local cheeses, eggs freshly prepared by the chef. Meals are enhanced by tasteful decor, paintbrush paintings or a restored slicer as a decorative element. The Novotel doesn't stand out too much, and even surprised with fresh sprouts and a pancake maker. Both restaurants had beautiful crockery. Basically, they only different in color, grey at the Sheraton and blue at the Novotel. During our stay at the Sheraton, the entire pool area was closed. Guests were directed to the Novotel, so we will concentrate on the Novotel. The pool is small and rather cold, so it is not much fun. You can only use the sauna in your swimsuit. There is no place to change into a towel and wait. Also, we had to wait in a queue to use the sauna as it is only big enough for 4 people. The gym is large with a full range of fitness equipment, something for everyone. At the Sheraton, the gym's equipment has been moved to 2 connected hotel rooms for the refurbishment, making it rather cramped. Bathrobes and slippers are provided at both hotels, not in every room at the Novotel, but the Novotel slippers score extra points for quality and design. There is no playground at the Sheraton. It's just obvious that the hotel caters more to business guests, especially during the winter when the pool area is being renovated. The Novotel has a separate area with a wooden house and slide for children. It seems small and with only a few toys, but the children somehow like it very much. We stayed at both hotels in the second half of January 2024. The Sheraton cost just under 800 zloty per night, the Novotel 550 zloty. In our opinion, Elon Musk's choice of hotel was no coincidence. If you are flying to the other side of the world and you are not familiar with the local hotel base, then choose a hotel of a well-known and established brand and you are unlikely to be disappointed. Well, rather. We simply expected more from Sheraton because of the stars. And indeed, the quality of service is first class. The hotel needs to work on the cleanliness of the rooms, but otherwise the brand speaks for itself. And there is a scale in the bathroom. The Novotel was cheap, obviously for Krakow. The quality it offers is on a decent level and worth every zloty spent. I would give it more than 3.5 stars because of the decor of the rooms, bathrooms, but the hotel makes up for it with its extras and public areas. In our opinion, both hotels are perfect for a business or leisure trip. What about you? Which hotel would you choose for your stay in the ancient capital of Poland? Like and subscribe our channel. We publish videos every Friday at 5 p.m.